We're on the last run of the channel. We have the last 1 foot with 1 bulb needed to reach this end of the run. As you see there's a terminator connected on there. He did a rough estimate, marked with snips. Now he's going to cut that channel and show you how he buttons up an end. Trimming this end is in a video in our YouTube channel. He's closing the end off so wasps, bees don't climb in there and be a distraction on the home. Plus gives a nice finished look. So next he's going to snap it light into the channel. Just line up the bulb. Snap, you hear that snap? He's going to lay it underneath, inside. We overlap them. And then the last end run, he's going to fold that under. And then that gives a nice clean look of the end. He'll attach that with a screw along the part of the MJ.